Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a whole year. Can you believe that? A whole year. I don't know, where do I begin? I slacked. I had momentum last year and but it's okay because this is the year for YouTube. I just know it. I know I'm going to be consistent. I know I'm going to make it happen, and I'm going to film my life for my 19 followers. Yeah. And here's my baby. Come. Hello. She's got a scooter for Christmas from her dad, so she has been riding that like nonstop. But just a quick intro. This is going to be a little evening in my life. I've got a small Dollar Tree haul that I wanted to share with you guys because they are hitting on some good stuff.
It's really small.
Yeah, it's very small. But, you know, quick to the point. And I will just show you what I'm doing, you know, right now. Chill sky.
Chill. No, go away.
She squirted stuff everywhere.
I thought that was closed.
It was not closed. Anyway, so just a quick intro. I just want to say, hey, you guys, it's going to go down. So if you're watching this, follow me because I promise you. Yes, I'm on the floor right now. This is my counter I'm banging on. But I promise you, this year is it. You're going to want to follow this. You're going to want to follow this. You're going to want to be a part of this family that I am about to create. Come on and start now. We're going to be an OG. We're going to have, if you start now, you're going to be an OG this time next year because, I mean, I got plans, y'all. I got plans. I got plans for y'all. So, love you guys. Thanks for everybody that's stuck around in this journey that I'm embarking on yet again. And if you hear some crazy noise, I got some laundry in the washer and the dryer. So, let's go into a day of my life. Oh, my battery's dying. Off to a great start. Evening in my life. Let's go! Okay, babies, on to what we've all been waiting for, Dollar Tree haul. Yes, I'm so excited. I love Dollar Tree, and we will start off with my favorite find, this yarn. You guys, like, I love these colors together. That white is really like a cream color. So excited to do some art projects with that. And then I'm obsessed with bathing right now, so of course I had to get the Relax and the Slumber. So the Relax lotion is not good. The Slumber body wash, it's pretty good. Different texture, but it's good. Would purchase again. Now this loofah, you guys, this I scrub my whole body with whenever I'm gonna do my self tan and at my face. So good. Bath bomb crazy. Just kidding. We're coming to the decor. So this matches my bedroom perfectly. The gold, the neutral, that's what I'm going for. And then, like I said, bath. So I'm trying to do all like self-care kind of thing. So I was excited to see this because I actually use their shampoo. So I'm going to try that out. Self-care. And then this, I actually saw in the Dollar Tree group on Facebook. This is sold for $6 somewhere, is what they said. So it was a good deal. Figured I'd try it. And then, yeah, a bath bomb for the third time. The bath bomb, I wanted to try it out. Hadn't. But I will let y'all know as soon as I know. And that's it, you guys. That's it. Alright guys, so we are winding down for the night with my Yogi teas. You should definitely check them out. They have tons of different flavors and they all have a reason for the season. I also add some Sweet and Low or stevia just to make it a little bit sweeter. And tell me this is not the best cup around. Like, good vibes. I know you see my pumpkin over there. I do not have the heart to take it down. I love that. Good morning, pumpkin. Yes, that's the vibe I need in the mornings when I am not feeling it. I need somebody to call me pumpkin, and it just happens to be my coffee machine. So here we are, waiting for the coffee to pour. And the best thing about these, oh my gosh, sis, read that. Yes. They all come with something inspirational, something happy, a good affirmation, things like that. It's really good to just kind of keep your spirits up. You never know when you need to pick me up, and sometimes that yogi saying just does it. It's just what you need, usually right when you need it. Tell me that's not the best sound, is water or coffee pouring into your mug right before you enjoy it. That's going to finish up this vlog for today. I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.